Hi, I want to show you how to add Git repositories to your main GitHub Pages site so you can have multiple subdirectories basically. So this is my GitHub Pages. I've just bought this alanareese.tech, but if I go to github.io, you'll see that it forwards to my regular GitHub Pages. And I've made this Maggie Pics website of pictures of my dog, and I want to add it so that it's basically acts like a subdirectory. So here's my repository. I just have one branch right now called master. So the first thing we want to do is we want to add a new branch. So we'll go back to my terminal. I'm going to say git checkout -b, and then I'm going to say gh-pages. So what this is going to do is it's going to check out and create a new branch called gh-pages from the master branch. Okay, and so now I can just do git status. There's nothing to commit. I can say git push -u origin, and then I want to say gh-pages. So what I'm doing is I'm setting the upstream for this new branch to be up on GitHub. Okay. So there we go. We've created this new branch. So let's take a look and make sure it's there. So if I go to branches, now we have this gh-pages. So for this repository, if you go to the settings tab and you scroll down, you'll see this GitHub Pages thing. So sometimes it'll automatically detect, but you can choose GitHub Pages from this select source dropdown, and then it basically will use the name of the repository as the link. So if we go here and we do Maggie Pics, we now have the Maggie Pics website as a subdirectory from my main GitHub Pages. Thanks for watching. I will be making more GitHub tutorials in the very near future. Thanks.